Hello guys, let's talk today about this electricity monitor I got from Amazon and I've been using for a while. As you can see, it's very easy to use. You just need to connect here to our power strip or to outlet and you start measuring things here, right? Let's say for example you want to see watts. You see here, there's the watts, there's the frequency, kilowatts hour, also voltage and amperage, right? Let me just give you a demonstration here. I'm going to connect my camera. So here we go. I have the power adapter. I just connect here like this and I can see the measurement here. Okay, if I press here for watts, I can see watts or VA. Okay, volt ampere. I press again, back to watts. So you can see here the W that represents watts. Then I come here, I press to see the frequency. It's about 60 hertz here in the United States. And kilowatts hour, 5.8 kilowatt hour for this device. And here, voltage, just press here, 121 volts. And finally the amperage here. I just press and I can see everything, okay? So pretty easy to use. I just start pressing buttons and checking everything that I want here. Pretty easy to use, there's no secret. It's a good product, I got it from Amazon, I like it and I recommend it.